I'm Jason King, Vice President of Corporate Properties for National Bank of Arizona. I'm here to talk to you about SpaceKap. As many of you know, there's many products out there. There's your standard pickup truck with crossbody boxes. There's flatbed trucks. There's utility box trucks. We looked at them all. We ended up on settling on SpaceKap for a variety of reasons. And what I saw was the ability for a truck box to truly be a universal truck box. Whether one year I get a great deal on Ford trucks, I install the box in a Ford truck. Next time I come around to purchase vehicles, maybe Chevrolet, maybe Dodge has a better deal this time. This box has the ability to remove out of one and go right back into another, which is simply a bracket change. Just over a year ago, I bought my first one. I now have 3 of them, with plans to continue to expand. In 2020, I look to possibly get another 2 more boxes on the road. These boxes I foresee to be with me for quite a long bit of time. The ease and the effortless that my technicians now have in being able to walk up to their truck box, open up the side bins, have everything that they're looking for right there readily and accessible for them is a true feat. They're no longer having to climb around and climb through vans and crawl through vans, which as a manager is one of the things you worry about. You know, is a technician gonna hurt himself? Is he gonna twist a knee? Is he gonna slip and fall out of the van? Is he going to pull a shelf down on top of himself, which has actually happened in one of our cases. The other feature that we looked for on these boxes was the ability to have an entire bed box. A box with a cabinet that can open up and expand the entire length of the bed, adding just that much more ample storage for my technicians and the supplies that they need to do their jobs around the state. Some of our locations are in very remote locations of Arizona, where the nearest parts house and the nearest supply house could be hours away. So these technicians are required to carry a considerable amount of supplies with them in order to get their jobs done in an efficient manner. Having this additional bed space in a sealed, organized box is vital to their success and their ability to do their job and perform at a high rate of efficiency. SpaceKap has stood behind their product. They have followed up on me to make sure that the product is performing the way that it is. I have a phenomenal relationship with my salesman, Jack. I foresee SpaceKap and National Bank of Arizona's partnership to continue to grow in the years to come. I expect to sit across this chair perhaps in another 10 years and tell you about the box that I bought 10 years ago that is on its 3rd truck or possibly 4th truck, depending on the miles that my guys have to run. I cannot say enough how proud I am to have made this purchase with SpaceKap. SpaceKap's reliability, SpaceKap's ROI, and SpaceKap's durability has surpassed what I expected it to do for me. If anybody's on the fence about wanting to know, should I go with this truck box? Should I look at other options? I urge you to look at other options. It's always great to have all the information in front of you and make the best decision that you can make. Ultimately for me and National Bank of Arizona, we chose SpaceKap, and we haven't looked back since.